Hey, this is Mateo Garcia, the creator of Rich and Fabulous on YouTube. I'm going to do a quick demo of the YouTube Creator AI tool I made specifically for YouTube creators to generate titles optimized for today's YouTube environment. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick title here that, say for my channel, I do celebrity real estate videos. Let's say Hugh Jackman selling 30 million NYC penthouse, divorce, relationship with Sutton Foster, and massive net worth. Okay, so this would be a video topic that I would do. Okay, so once I put that topic in, if you want, it'll autofill to all the other items here. So let's generate titles, see what it gives us. So it's going to create some titles optimized. So Hugh Jackman shocking 30 million penthouse sales. What's next? Why Hugh Jackman sold his 30 million penthouse. Truth revealed. So if I like any of these, let's go ahead and save some of these. And let's go ahead and generate again just to see if it gives us something a little bit different. Alright, so I created a few other ones here. Now let's go to the descriptions. It's going to save the description. We can save this also. Every time you hit save, it's going to save it to a scratch pad here that we'll go to later. So let's save these keywords. It's going to save a suggested file name for the video. Let's generate a thumbnail concept. I know thumbnail generators are always tricky for celebrities. Just because there's some Google safety concerns when you're generating people or pop culture or famous people. So, but it's going to generate some concepts here. We're going to save these. Let's try, so I changed these to have pop art or modern comic first. So let's generate an image and see what it does. If it won't generate an image, it'll tell you because of the safety policies. But let's try another. Let's try a modern comic one. Alright, so it did do a generated thumbnail for modern comic. If you like the image, you can download it. Be sure to download. This is an HTML website. Trying to keep it cheap so it's free for YouTube creators, so it doesn't have a lot of storage space. So this is something where you want to save if you like an image, and you can try a few other options like as well. Okay, and it does have some options where you can change the font, move the font around, change the text color. So, and then you can download that if you like that as well. And here's some alternate links for some other AI generation tools. If you click this button here, it'll give you some ideas where you have an original video, but if you want to maybe create another clip or a short or a TikTok. So it's going to give you all of these here. You can save these to notes to your scratch pad, or you can copy them. Let's say you haven't created the video yet and you kind of want to have an opening line or hook. It'll give you some ideas that are once again optimized for YouTube here. So save to notes, save whatever ones you like. And one thing that's underlooked on YouTube is community posts. If you do consistently create community posts, YouTube will also notify your subscribers of your community posts. So this is something good where you can create some polls, a quiz about the video, or just do an announcement of your upcoming video. And everything you save will save to your scratch pad here. And if you like anything, you can copy it to your own other notepad. Or if you do like everything here, you can save this. It'll pop up everything here. You can save it. It'll download it as a temporary save on your computer as well. And then also here's just some pro tips that can help. Some other helpful links for generating some other images and scripts, and then just some announcements on what's new. So if you find this tool helpful and you want to keep it totally free and ad-free, feel free to support here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I would love your feedback. Thank you.